today we are filming a toy review of this Best Choice Products 6-volt children's truck.
Bubby Boy car!
For the Bubby Boys video today.
It's called the Bubby Boy car now.
Yeah, it's the 6-volt Choice Products car on Amazon.
Oh,
And the link for it will be in the description. But this is really cool.
yeah.
Alright, so what all features do we have?
It has lights.
Here, turn on the lights for her. Oh, the lights are on already.
It's honking right here. I don't know how this little music box thing works.
Okay, let me see. So it's got a forward and reverse button. It's got the startup button and the lights on and off. And it also has an input. If you connect the iPod, it will play your music, it looks like. Okay, Ari, crank that baby up. Let's see what it's got.
I got it.
All right, slow it down, slow it down.
That's it.
Now back it up. You know how to back it up?
Reverse.
There we go.
Turn that baby on.
Hold up, watch yourself. Now back it up, Ari, back it up. We're gonna have to get you, make sure you pass your license test and turn it so you don't crash. Good job. All right, stop.
Press number 2.
Yeah, it's got a good bumper on it, that's for sure.
It's in a roll. Oh my God! Turn it forward. Like first thing about it is you could turn on lights. Watch this.
Nice.
They're on. I turn the lights off.
All right.
And my second favorite thing is when my brother wants to drive, I'm driving it.
That is pretty cool.
Want power? Hit the gas. You want power? I want power. You want power? I want power. Then let me drive. Alright.
All right, let's see how it rides, Ada.
Oh my God, the wheels are Except.
So they've both been able to enjoy it.
You ride it. You put down the gas right here that has the forward button. It doesn't have any brakes, so you might have to stop when you try to do brakes.
Okay.
There's no brakes.
So it doesn't have brakes, you just pull your foot off the pedal to stop it.
Yeah.
All right, let's test it out.
Ooh.
Let him go, Ari. Let Aiden drive it.
Turn the lights on.
All right, look at that cool dude. You ready to cruise? You ready to cruise? All right, he's ready to cruise. Let him cruise, Ada. Send him forward. He is cruising. All right, thumbs up. Say cruising, dude. Yes, sir. Okay, Aiden. Back him up.
Time for a little cruise time.
Cruising down the city.
Cruising down the city. Cruising down the city. Dude.
All right, go for it. All right, the Bubby Boys, you enjoying it? How is it, Ari? You like it?
One more time. He is done. You get attitude.
Quit teasing him, Ari. It's got a smooth ride to it.
What did it say?
So does it have a smooth ride to it?
It kind of rides smooth. Sometimes you're on concrete, the concrete could get bumpy. It could get bumpy. Because it's bumpy on my ride right now. I'm going to turn on the lights to make it concrete mode, I think. There's a little seat right here. Let's get the seatbelt on. It has a seatbelt I have not been wearing. Yeah, I can't. The seatbelt's too tight.
Too small. Yeah, this one's more for around Ari's age, but it goes up to your age too. Your age is the max age, so it's from like 3 to 6 year olds. So both of you guys can enjoy it.
There's the bumper. Pour it up.
All right.
Wait.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
No way.
No hands.
No line. Well, one hand. Yes.
Back him up and drive him to the basketball goal.
You are not going on the highway. Bella. You are not going on the highway. You think you're going on the highway. Bella. No, you're not controlling.
So what do you guys think? Is this one pretty fun?
Yeah, I stopped him. If he wants power, he has to have...
Oh, he actually shared. Okay, your brother's life is in your hands now. Let me see your cruise face, dude.
Cruise!
All right.
Alright, come on, just drive.
Here, all right, let me help you. Come here.
Oh no. Nobody's controlling my car. Yeah! No!
Power button. Say what? Who's in control?
Me?
Really? All right, come back this way.
Yes.
I'll give you power. Go ahead. Psych.
No.
Do you want to drive again? You want me to give you power? All right, fine. No power.
I want my power.
All right, there you go. Now you can go.
Yes. Take me. I can take you out.
Alright, so let's get ready to say bye from this toy review, guys.
Bye!
How many bubbles you guys give this one?
1,000.
1,000 bubbles. You guys really like this one? Alright.
Wait until I get my own one. I might want a motorcycle one.
Alright.
Then I could drive like...